Hi everyone, today we will study multiplication of polynomials. Let's begin with multiplication of monomials. The rule is multiply the numerical coefficients and multiply the literal coefficients or the variables following the laws of exponent. Let's see the first example, 4x cubed times 3x raised to 5. We understand this dot here denotes multiplication. So we're going to multiply these two terms. So the rule says we're going to multiply the numbers. So that is 4 times 3. We will get 12. And the x cubed multiplied to the x raised to 5. We will add exponents. So we have x raised to 8. So the final answer here is 12x raised to 8. Second example, 2x raised to 4y cubed times the negative 5x squared y. So the parenthesis here denotes multiplication. So we will multiply the numbers, the 2 times the negative 5, we will get negative 10. The x raised to 4 multiplied to the x squared, we will get the x raised to 6. The y cubed multiplied to y, so there is a exponent 1, so 3 plus the 1 equals the exponent 4, so y raised to 4. Our final answer is negative 10 x raised to 6 y raised to 4. Example 3. Sometimes problem will come like this. Find the product of negative 3x squared y cubed z raised to 4 and the term negative 2x raised to 4z. Let us rewrite the problem into this form. So using the parenthesis symbol to denote multiplication. So let's begin the multiplication. Let's start with the numbers. The negative 3 multiplied to the negative 2 will get a positive 6. The x squared multiplied to the x raised to 4, we will get this x raised to 6. The y cubed, there's no variable y on the other term. We will just copy the y cubed. The z raised to 4 multiplied to the z with exponent 1. So we add the exponents, so 4 plus 1 becomes 5. Z raised to 5. So our final answer is 6x raised to 6 y cubed z raised to 5. Example 4, when we multiply negative 5a by the term 2b. In here we can see that there is no common variable. So what we'll do, first we will multiply the numbers, negative 5 multiplied by 2, we will get the negative 10, and the variables a and b, we'll just put them together in the final answer. So our final answer here is negative 10 ab. Example 5, the terms are 2/3 x cubed 5/7 x squared. So we multiply the numbers. In this case, we have fractions. So the numerator multiplied to numerator, denominator multiplied to denominator. So we have the 2 times 5 becomes 10, 3 times 7 is 21. For the x cubed times x squared, we will get the x raised to 5. So the final answer, 10 over 21, x raised to 5. Let's go now to multiplication of monomial and polynomial. Rule says multiply the monomial to all terms of the polynomial. Let's have example 1. The 3x is multiplied to the polynomial x squared plus 2x minus 10. So what we'll do, this 3x, we will multiply to each term of the trinomial here. Let's begin with the 3x multiplied to x squared. We will get this 3x cubed. Then 3x multiplied by 2x, we'll get the 6x squared. The third, 3x multiplied by negative 10, we will get this negative 30x. So our final answer, 3x cubed plus 6x squared minus 30x. Example 2, the polynomial and the monomial can be interchanged in position. So in here we have the polynomial x squared y cubed plus 2x plus 3y times the monomial 5xy. So the same procedure, each term of this polynomial will be multiplied to the monomial. Let's start with the x squared y cubed times 5xy. We will get the 5x cubed y raised to 4. As we see here, the x squared with the x with exponent 1 will get x cubed. With the y cubed multiplied to the y with power 1, we'll have the y raised to 4. Next is the 2x multiplied to the 5xy. The numbers becomes 10, 2 times 5 is 10. For the x and x becomes x squared. The y, there is no y in the term here, so we'll just copy the y in the product. So 10x squared y. The next is the 3y multiplied to the 5xy. We'll get 15. There is no x on the first term here, so we have the x, we simply copy, and then the y times y, we'll get the y squared. So our final answer, 5x cubed y raised to 4 plus 10x squared y plus 15x y squared. Let's go now to multiplication of polynomials. The rule says multiply each term of the first factor polynomial, that is the multiplicand, to each term of the second factor polynomial, that is the multiplier. Then we add like terms, if any. Example 1, 3x plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 1. So what we'll do, the first term 3x of the first group will be multiplied to the terms of the other group. So the 3x is multiplied to 2x, we'll get the 6x squared. 3x multiplied by negative 1, we'll get the negative 3x. The next is the 5, the second term of the first group, we will multiply to all terms of the second group. So 5 times 2x, you will get the 10x, and 5 times negative 1, we will get the negative 5. And then we will see if there is a like terms. As we see here, the negative 3x and the 10x are like terms, so we can add them. So the negative 3x plus 10x becomes positive 7x, and then the final answer is this 6x squared plus 7x minus 5. Example 2, 2x plus 1 multiplied by the x squared plus 3x plus 4. So what we'll do, the 2x, the first term of the first group, we will multiply to all the terms of the other group. So the 2x multiplied to x squared, we will get the 2x cubed. 2x times 3x, you'll get the 6x squared. 2x times 4, you'll get the plus 8x or positive 8x. The next is this one here, we will multiply also to all the terms of the other group. So 1 times x squared, we will get the x squared. 1 times the positive 3x, here is positive 3x, and 1 times the positive 4, we will get here plus 4. And then we will observe for some like terms. As we see here, the 6x squared and the x squared are like terms. Also, the 8x and the 3x are all like terms. So we can combine those like terms. So the 6x squared and the x squared, both positive, becomes 7x squared. The 8x and the 3x, also both positive, is equal to 11x. So we just bring down the 2x cubed, we bring down the constant 4. So the final answer here is 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 11x plus 4. Let's go to example 3. A plus b multiplied to the c plus d. So the a is multiplied to the terms of the second group. A times c will give ac, then a times d will get the ad. Next is the b multiplied to the terms of the other group. So b times c is bc, then b times d is bd. So our final answer is this AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.